Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So today I'm just going to show you guys how I've been doing my hair and makeup lately. I actually just got back from the Dominican Republic and I was doing this hairstyle like every single day, like all the time. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. It's very easy, very simple. I'm also going to do my makeup and I'm going to share with you guys my favorite makeup right now and the products that I have been using. A lot of you guys have asked me to do a makeup tutorial on like my makeup and my hair videos, and I pretty much do the same thing. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do that today. And yeah, let's get started because I look a little bit crazy. But I actually just did my hair. I curled it and I used the brand LUS. They actually sent this to me to try out and I actually really like it. I used the shampoo, which is step number 1, and then I used the conditioner 2. And then after that I used this all-in-one repair, hydrate, and style cream from the same brand, and that was actually the only product that I used to style my curls today. So I think that for you to just use one product and it leaves your hair, you know, with very bouncy and soft curls, that's a big plus. So I really did like this and I will be using this again and again and again for sure. I also use my Denman brush and I also used my diffuser to give my curls a lot more definition and volume. So that's how I got my curls today. But today I'm gonna put my hair up and I'm gonna show you guys kind of how I have been doing my hair lately and how to do this very quick and easy hairstyle. So I just put my headband over my head and now it's just like resting on my neck because I'm gonna put it up here, but I wanted to put this first before putting my hair up. So I'm gonna flip my hair, all of it, and I'm just going to grab all of my hair. I put it forward like the most I can and I just tie my hair with a scrunchie and then I just leave my hair in the front. So yeah, I just kind of style my hair, move it around a little bit, and then I use my headband and put it on. So yeah, that's kind of how I do my hairstyle. This is like my go-to curly hairstyle. So if you have longer hair, you might have to do a bun and then leave the curls out. If you have shorter hair, maybe just leave the curls out or do a bun. I don't know. Play around with your hair. Everybody's hair is different. For my length, I do feel like this works because just put my hair up, leave the curls out, and it's very simple and easy. So now I'm actually gonna do my makeup. A lot of you guys have been asking me how I do my makeup in my videos, and it's so easy. It's so simple, guys. I really don't do much with my makeup. I really do not. And this is my go-to makeup as well. So I have been using the L'Oreal Paris 24-Hour Infallible Pro Matte. I have very oily skin. Very oily skin. I got so oily right here in my T-zone, around my nose. And guys, I used this in the Dominican Republic like yesterday because I just got back. And this is the best, hands down. I've used a lot of foundations. I have tried so many different foundations for my oily skin because I get so oily. It just looks like if I'm sweating all the time. And even in the Dominican Republic where it is super humid, super hot, I sweat all the time, this was amazing. Amazing. So I'm like obsessed with this, and this is gonna be like my go-to foundation for a while. This is the shade Natural Beige, so 105. I just put a little bit of that on my hands, maybe that much, and I just put it all over my face. You can get this at Target, at the drugstore. So yeah, I just put that all over my face. It's very full coverage too. So I got this random pimple on my cheek. I never get pimples on my cheeks. Maybe my chin, maybe my forehead, not on my cheeks. And I got this random pimple. So weird. Just gonna put a little bit more on that spot. Guys, are you afraid of plane rides? Because I'm terrified. It gives me the biggest anxiety. It's pretty bad. Like yesterday I got back from the Dominican Republic. Oh my god, the plane ride was crazy. And to make things even worse, oh my god, this lady, right before the plane was gonna take off, this random lady super loud in Spanish, how you know us Dominicans are super loud sometimes. We were told that there was going to be turbulence during the second half of the flight, and this lady was super loud, and she was like, un día como hoy un avión se estalló de hace 18 años de Nueva York a Santo Domingo. Can you believe that she said that? That a day like today a plane crashed 18 years ago from New York to DR. Like, who says that? Everybody was so pissed. They were like, mujer, ¿por qué tú estás diciendo eso? Dios mío. Like, oh my gosh, she got me even more nervous. And turbulence was pretty bad when we were about to land, but thank God everything was fine. But oh my god, guys, I got so nervous and so scared of plane rides. It's crazy. I don't know how some people can take naps and sleep the whole flight. I can't. Now I'm just using this brow pencil, also from the drugstore. This one's from Wet n Wild, and it's amazing. I have other brow pencils, but I don't know, I just always end up going to this one. This one's really nice, and it's kind of big, and I like that. I don't like brow pencils that are like super thin. Like, for example, this one's from Wander Beauty, and it's like super tiny. I don't know if you can see that. Super tiny, and it's fine, but I don't love it because it takes me forever to do my brows. And this one's bigger, and I don't know, I just like that. But everybody's different. If you like the more small and precise pencil, then maybe this one isn't for you, because this one is pretty thick and big. But I like that because it's like quicker for me, and I don't do much to my brows. I just kind of fill them in a little bit. So now I'm just going to use my go-to palette. This is amazing because it brings different eyeshadows, and then it brings blushes and a bronzer. So I took this to my Dominican Republic trip, and it was amazing because it has everything you need, almost everything you need. I'm using this shade, by the way, to just put it on my crease. This is what I do for my videos too. I'm telling you guys, it's like super simple. It's like a very simple makeup look. But yeah, as you can see, my face is already starting to look more put together after I did my brows, and I'm putting a little bit of this eyeshadow. Then I use a smaller brush, and I use the darker brown. I just put that on my crease, but not all over my crease, just kind of like more out here. Guys, I have a lot of hair videos coming up. I actually have some more Dyson Airwrap videos coming up. Let me know if you guys are interested in watching more videos with the Dyson Airwrap. I know I've done a couple already here on my channel, and I kind of wanted to give you guys a break because I know I've uploaded 3 in a row. So I kind of wanted to upload something different today. But if you guys want me to upload some more in the future, let me know. I'm going to use this smaller brush, and I'm going to use the same brown. Now I'm going to use this shade right here. It's kind of like a shimmery shade, and I'm going to put some on my lid. Guys, thank you so much for 20,000 subscribers. I cannot believe it. Like, that's just like insane. Like, thank you so much, and stay tuned because I have more cool videos coming up. I have a lot of giveaways coming up, so stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments down below what type of videos you want to see next. I love trying out hair tools, so if you have any hair tools that you want me to test out on my curly hair, let me know because I can totally do that. I'm going to put this to the side because I'm going to use it for my bronzer and blush, but I'm actually going to use my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye powder, and I have been using this for a couple months now. It's the best. It's so good. My shade is medium tan. This also helps with my oily skin, and it definitely helps with my face not looking too shiny. So yeah, as you can see, this has a little bit of a tint, so it gave my face some more coverage. So now I'm gonna go back to this palette, and I'm gonna use the bronzer right here. I'm just gonna put it down here, a little bit up here, and then in my jawline. Now I'm going to use this shade right here. This is a blush. And I just put it on my cheeks. So we're almost done. I'm just going to put some mascara. This is the one that I have been using for a while now. It's the Big Look from Purr. And this is a really, really good one. I'm almost done actually with this one. I'm going to need a new one. But I do have some other ones that I really like as well. Like the It Cosmetics Superhero. That one is amazing. And I actually have a brand new one that I'm going to use when I'm done with this one. But yeah, this one is really, really good too. I like putting some in my lower lashes as well. Guys, my lips have been so dry. Like, do you guys recommend any, I don't know, a lip balm that's like very hydrating but also very natural? Because my lips are just weird. Sometimes they're very sensitive, and I used to use Vaseline all the time, but then I noticed I was kind of like clogging my pores on my lips. Super weird, I know, but I did my research and I noticed that petroleum jelly clogs your pores, so it's not really recommended to use it on your face. So I stopped using that, and I used to love Vaseline, but I just stopped using it. So I'm on the hunt for a really good lip balm. Now to finish up the look, I'm gonna do something to my lips because I know they look so pale. Like, I need some color. So I'm gonna use this It Cosmetics Je ne sais quoi in the shade Honey. This is the best. I actually did a photo shoot with them, with It Cosmetics, and they gifted this to me, and I was excited because this is like my favorite shade of this lip balm or lipstick. I love that lip color on my skin tone. I think it looks really, really cute, and this shade looks cute on like every skin tone. It's amazing. I love this one. This is the Je ne sais quoi It Cosmetics shade Honey. It's the best. Okay guys, so here's the final look. This is really how I do my makeup for pretty much all of my videos. Like, I really do not switch it up that much. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think of this look, the makeup, the hair. I'm gonna link down below all the products that I mentioned today in this video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And if you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well. So make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.